Ice dams are a common winter headache for homeowners across Michigan. The heavy snowfall we experience, combined with fluctuating temperatures that swing above and below freezing, creates the perfect conditions for these icy blockages to form. As more snow melts and refreezes, the ice dam grows larger, potentially causing significant damage. This backed-up water can seep under roof shingles, compromising their seals, eventually leaking into your home, causing costly damage to ceilings, walls, and insulation. At Lighthouse Exteriors, we utilize a safe and effective method to eliminate ice dams without harming your roof. Unlike some companies that use high-pressure heated water or harsh chemicals, which can damage roofing materials, we use a low-pressure steam system. Our gentle steam melts the ice efficiently and safely, protecting your roof, shingles, gutters, and surrounding wood. If you're a Michigan homeowner facing an ice dam problem, don't wait for the damage to worsen. Contact us today for a free estimate.